Hello, boys and girls, and grown-ups too. It's me, Miss Save, and I'm ready to teach you the next letter in our alphabet series. Today we're going to do the letter W, okay? And it really looks like two V's. So let me go first. You know the drill, fingers up, and I'll go first with a capital W. It's down, up, down, up. All right, you try. Fingers up. Down, up, down, up. Good job. Okay, now let's do a lowercase w. I'll go first. It's down, up, down, up. All right, and then you go. Fingers up. Down, up, down, up. Good job. All right, stay tuned for the next letter in our alphabet series. Bye-bye.